Hey, it's Shay here again, and in this video, I want to go over something that I've always wondered if many people even know about, and I guess I'm basically asking you, have you ever heard of making money online by just generating clicks alone? And just to be clear, no, I'm not talking about generating leads or making sales or anything like that. I'm literally talking about making money by just getting paid for clicks. I know there's probably a pretty high chance that you have never heard of it, and if you have heard of it, you've probably never actually ran campaigns yourself and experienced what it's really like to make money online by just getting paid for generating the clicks alone. So here's the thing, I actually teach my students exactly how to make money online by just getting paid by generating clicks. This is exactly what I teach day in, day out, and I believe it's some of the easiest money you can make online. And my students tell me the same thing basically every single day. They are out there perhaps just getting started, or maybe my students have a bit of experience when they come to me first, but they've been struggling for a long time trying to make lead conversions or make full sales. It's difficult to do because usually to make lead conversions and get paid for leads or get paid for making full sales, you have to have a great sales funnel in place. But you know what? I don't do any of that, and my students don't now as well. And I want to show you a recent campaign that I just showed my students to again keep them motivated to go out there and create this thing for themselves, to go make their own make money online campaigns by just getting paid for generating clicks. And I just want to jump straight in here. This is one of the first networks. I run 3 networks together, all coming from the same traffic source. So I basically just run a rotator link that spreads out the traffic on different percentages across basically as many different offers or networks that I want to. But in this case, I'm running 3 different networks. So today it's the 11th, alright, so 11th of May. I started it just a few days ago, in fact, as I said, back on the 8th. And as you can see, just here, RPC, revenue per click, just yesterday, $5.15 per click. Alright, today so far, we're about halfway through today. $4.45 per click so far, and I've sent 28 clicks so far, so it's picked up a bit. $124 for today so far, $241 so far made. I'm just going to jump over to the next network here. Alright, and I'm just going to, so you can see full dates, and I'm just going to show you everything here. I'll just expand out all of these. I'm actually running basically 3 offers. Really, I was in this one network with the same traffic source on the same dates, as you can see. And you can see right here, they basically got roughly around 300 clicks each. Okay, this one a little bit less, but if you even that out, around 300 each, these highlighted ones here. Okay, so 358 made with this one, 295 made with this one, and unfortunately only $43 made with this one because it just wasn't paying as high. It just wasn't really working out that well. So today, after today, when it ends, I'm actually going to turn this one off. Just focus all the traffic on these 2 right here because they have really taken off a lot more. And as you can see, 105 clicks, so that's like visitors I'm bringing to this offer specifically, and I'm getting paid for 105 sales. Usually if you were converting at 10%, you would have around 10 sales here. Alright, so but because I'm specifically getting paid for generating the clicks, it's 100% across the board, okay, as you can see. Alright, so that's that one, $702 made there. So I'm just going to jump over to the third one now, the third network. Same dates again. Okay, and this one's actually really cool in a way because I'm not sending as much traffic to this one, but it's still making, just yesterday on the 10th, $6.30 per click. So $264 made on this one. And if we add all of these together, as I'm just looking at them, it's around $300 plus per day already. So this is already turning out to be a great campaign, not only again for myself, but for my students as well. This is really why I still create new campaigns from scratch, just to keep my students motivated and keep proving to them that it is possible to start from scratch right now today and make money online. And I know you may be looking to do the exact same thing, so what I'm going to do is I actually want to show you exactly what I'm doing here. I'm going to give you access to exactly what my students see on a daily basis. I'm going to show you, all these campaigns that I just showed you, so you can see exactly the traffic sources, how I'm setting up pages, everything like that and much more. But I'm only going to have this open for a short amount of time because I really enjoy working closely with all of my students. So take advantage of this while I have this open, because I don't know how much longer I'm going to have it open. So again, if you are serious, if you are really, truly serious, take advantage of this right now, take action, and click the link at the top of the description. I'm just going to have a quick short bit.ly link right there. It's just for my own tracking purposes. Just click that. Jump over to my site. I'm actually going to do that right now as well, so you can see exactly what you'll see when you get there. Okay, so I'm on my site here. So once you land here, after clicking the link, just enter your best email address. Okay, right here in the field, and then click the Get Instant Access button. Okay, so it's really, really simple. So do that to get instant access. Then there's just one final thing to do, and that is to go check your email address. The email that you just typed in on my site right here, go check that inbox, go check the email, because I'm going to send you out my welcome email. And in that email, I'm going to have all the information that you need to get started today. Okay, so that's why I'm doing that. I want to help you get started as soon as possible so you can start seeing some similar results as what I've shown in this video and exactly what my students are able to do on a daily basis. So again, take advantage of this. Do it right now while I have this open. Thanks so much for watching my video here today, and I'll talk to you again really soon.